Here is a hidden iPhone trick that feels like magic. Open an app, Do Not Disturb turns on. Close it, it turns off. No buttons, no control center, just automation. Let me show you how to set this up in seconds. Now, for this amazing feature, you have to use shortcuts. Right now, open it, and then New Automation. Scroll down and tap on apps. Choose the app. Right, I'm gonna go for camera for now. Done. Okay, and then run immediately. Next, new blank automation. Tap on that one, right, and search for set focus, right? Tap on that one. Keep it at on, right, and done. Now, when you open the camera, Do Not Disturb is on. To make it off, right, tap on the plus icon on the top right corner, and then again, the same steps, right? Tap on app, choose a camera, done, right? It's closed, change it to that one, right? And then run immediately, okay? Now next, okay, new blank automation as well, and search for set focus again, right? Tap on it and keep it at off. Done. And that's it.